welcome to the channel. I'm the Mediocre Jake, and this is your premier destination for the most average content on YouTube. In today's video, we're going to be doing a 2 million coin worth of pack opening to try and rebuild my team. So what I've done is I've gone and sold every single player on my team and accumulated about 1 million coins and about 60,000 training. And we're going to be doing a pack opening to try and rebuild that team, and then we're going to play with whatever team I get from the pack opening in games. Let's get into it. Also, before we get into the video, please remember to drop a like down below, subscribe to the channel, and turn the notification bell on to get constant updates of when new content is coming out.
Do it.
So what I decided to do today is I decided to go in to my Madden Ultimate team and sell all of my cards, or quick sell them for training, except for all of the NATs that I already had. And in the next 2 days, I'm going to open up a bunch of packs that will basically fill up my team. I have about 1 million coins and 55,000 training. The reason for doing this is because I know that there are 2 Signature Series limited times today, Derrick and Preston. Also, I know that tomorrow there's going to be Super Bowl promo, which means there's going to be a bunch of new cards, a bunch of new limited times, a bunch of new high elites, everything, a bunch of new packs, and possibly even a currency that we're going to go after. So that's why I feel like restructuring the team right now would be pretty interesting to watch. Alright, in the first day of the video, in order to try and pull these 2 limited time players, we're going to be opening 5 Game Changer packs, 1 Legends Fantasy pack, and 4 5 times get a gold player packs. Alright, so we're going to be starting off with the first 5 packs being the 5 Game Changer packs. Let's get into it. Alright. 80, see? That's fine. Like, obviously we want more, but that's also fine. 85. 89, oh, okay. 81. All elite round to start. And we get an 81, an 82, and an 80 that can go into those sets, and then 2 cards that are decently sellable. I mean, obviously this one's only like 15k or something, but 89 is probably a good amount. Like, it's probably like 60k or something, so that's a really good first pack. Alright, let's get into the second pack. If it could be as good as that first one, I'll just keep that the whole time. 83, okay. Alright, 81. Alright, that's good enough. 80, another 80. 2 more that can go into that set. Alright, this could be big. 89? No. Okay. And we're going to finish it off with a 78. Alright. Not the best, but we got a lot of stuff that we can put into the sets, and then those 2 83s, we can use them or sell them. Whatever. Alright, we got 3 more of these packs, and then we'll get into the legends and the other ones. Another legend. Another legend. We're getting all the legends, all the 83 legends. 80, 82, okay, that's good enough. Actually, we do need a kicker though, so we might have to keep him. And then a gold. Alright, not the worst pack in the world. Once again, we got a couple of things that we can use, but nothing too great. We got 2 more of these. Another base elite. 82, okay. Another base elite. 82, okay. Alright, this could be 81. Another legend. 83, another 83 legend. Okay. And another team of the week. 84, Austin Hooper. Okay, once again, not the best pack, but it's alright. And the final Game Changer pack coming up. God, you don't like to see that. Another core elite. Another 80. Another 81 core elite. Another legend. 81. Oh. Can we get anything high? 78. No. Alright, so the Game Changer packs are okay. We got a lot of things that we could probably convert into Ted Hendricks, but we might have to keep some of those cards because, like I said, we need to fill out the team. We only have 500k left. But we do have 20 get a gold players and 1 Legend Fantasy pack. We're going to do the Legend Fantasy pack last. Hopefully we can get Derrick out of that. Something like that. In this, we are looking for any elite. That's an elite. 83. Okay. You might have to end up starting. 74. Some of these cards we might sell back and use for more coins tomorrow. I haven't decided who's going to start or what we're going to do with these cards yet, but that might happen. Okay. 87, let's go. That's a card we might actually end up using, like, in the game. Bones elites. Alright, I haven't gotten an elite in a while. Let's get one here. Nope. And that would be the last one. Ooh, a Kyler Murray card. Interesting. All we have left is the Legend Fantasy Pack. I'm just hoping for a 90 in this. Come on, can we get an elite in the second round? No. No. Okay. 83. And an 84. Okay, that's pretty good. Come on, give it to me. No, you don't like to see that animation in the third round. 86 Damon Harrison. Okay. Oh, Big X. 87 Aikman. Oh, you don't like to see that on the Big X. No, give me another Big X. Big X. Let's go. Clinton Portis, 90 overall. Alright, that's exactly what we wanted, a 90 plus. Honestly, not that bad. Thank you for tuning into that. Part 2 of the pack opening is tomorrow. I'm just going to tack it onto this video. I'm hoping there's going to be some type of Super Bowl fantasy pack that we can open like 4 of or 5 of with the rest of those coins. And then with the training, I'm probably going to open up like 2 of these packs, a couple of these, and like 2 of these or something like that. Just so we can get like some actual high overall players that we can use in the game. Hello and welcome back to day 2 of the pack opening. Today we got the Super Bowl promo and it looks decent. These 3 cards are all 95 overall cards and there's a 96 overall Steve Young Master card, but I don't even think you can pull him, so we're not worried about him. Other than that, there's a few like 90 overall cards, a 92 overall card, nothing too big. Anyway, with the packs today, we're going to be doing 5 Super Bowl packs, 20 get a gold packs, and then we're going to get into 5 more game changers and 3 more elite player packs. Alright, let's get started with the game changers. Really hoping to pull something big here. Okay. Come on, elite. Quick sell, come on, be big. 84 quick sell, let's go. That's a good start. 84 means, yeah, 80,000 coins. And an 81, not bad. Alright, gives us 80,000 more coins. I don't know what we're going to spend it on, but I'll take it. That's a W in the first pack. Going into the second game changer pack, first one was definitely a W. Can we do it again? 82, don't like that. Taysom Hill. Come on. 86, okay, that was a decent pack. Not bad, not mad at that pack. But we need to get bigger players. We need to get like big pulls. Oh, I thought it was gonna be one of the new ones. Alright, not the worst pack, but not the best either. Here we go. We got 2 more game changers. Let's get into it. Come on. Give me a big X. Super Bowl player. Or not Super Bowl player. Playoff player. I was just about to say all elite pack and then gold popped up. Once again, not the best, not the worst. Final game changer pack. Wings? Darn it. Getting so many 81 to 82s. So many. Alright. Now that we're done with the game changers, let's go and let's open a few Super Bowl players. I'm kind of curious to see what this animation is. Alright, the last one's going to be the animation. That's kind of cool. I don't really know. I really don't feel like it's that cool though. I wonder what the big animation is. There's an 84 Chris Hogan. Once again, still indecisive about if that's a good animation or not. '86 Eli Manning. So we've gone up. We've gone 82 to 84 to 86. Let's see if we can get 88 or 89 or 90 here. Really hoping so, because these packs have not been the best. No, I don't think that's a big enemy. Oh, 88. Yeah, we actually jaded again. Can we get a 90 in this pack to keep the trend? That's a 71 Geno Atkins. I'm assuming that's not a 90. Yeah. Okay. Okay. That's an interesting one. All right. Now we're gonna get into three elite player. Yeah. 3 elite player packs. Start out with the first one. Come on, give me something big. Give me a limited time. Alright. Nothing, and then limited time right here. Boom! No. 84 Brian Urlacher. Oh, come on, guys. Give me something, EA. Give me something good. Come on, give me something. Hey, CMC. Wings? 88. When you say wings, you're kind of hoping for like 92. Alright, the final elite player pack. Let's see what we can get. Okay. 89 DJ Watt, not the worst. Okay, that's not too bad. I can work with that. Alright, because we got that extra 80k from the first pack, we're going to open 2 more Super Bowl packs. And hopefully we can get that big animation. Elite. 81. Nope, not a big animation. Oh, I'm not liking that Super Bowl animation. Come on, EA, give me a big card. Big one. Big one. Last card, going back. Nah, it doesn't look like it. 88 Frank Gore, though. Not bad. Now moving on to our training portion, we're going to start with 2 non-auctionable Team of the Year packs. The reason for this is because I really just need somebody, like 2 more cards that are 95 plus on the team. Like, because every time so far So far in the pack opening, we haven't pulled any really big players, so we really just need more huge cards. Alright, so let's get into it. First one, we're really looking for, honestly, just a 96. Obviously, I'd want Russell or Donald, but I'm good with just a 96. Just don't give me an 80 or a 95. Come on, yay! 95. On cue. Alright, Gino's okay. Not the best, not the worst. Come on, EA, don't give me another one. And another 95, and it's a receiver. Oh, I don't even want a receiver. He's got 97 speed, though, so we're going to keep him now, obviously. Alright, now we're going to start with, let's do a Football Outsiders, see if we can get like a 93. Nope, not 93. 88. Oh, this pack opening is not going well. Probably need linemen. So let's go with a heavyweight pack. 89 plus. We need linemen. Just give me something good, EA. Like a 92. 90. Okay, not the worst. For the last two packs, we're going to be opening 2 more 82 plus Super Bowl past players. I'm just very curious to see if you can even pull like really big cards. That's the normal animation. 86 Eli Manning. You still lose on that. Like, what? How are you supposed to win on these packs? Like, how are you supposed to win on training in those packs? Okay, if I were you guys, I would not do those packs. Alright, I will go and see what we got and move some things around and see what we can add to the team. We might end up selling a couple of cards and then doing more packs. I'll let you know. After selling a bunch of more of my players for training, we get to do another non-auctionable Team of the Year pack. Please don't give me a 95. Give me a 96. Give me a corner or a strong safety. Please. Please corner or strong safety or quarterback. Cornerback. Let's go. Tre'Davious White. Yes. Let's go. Let's go. And we're back. After we did a little bit of manipulating around the team and, started putting people into place, this is what we're looking at. We ended up doing another non-auctionable to get Joel Bitonio, which was kind of hype. That was a pretty good pull because our offensive line definitely needed it. We ended up getting Mark Andrews as our tight end, another pack. And then obviously receivers, we got Mecole Hardman, Torrey Holt, and Amari Cooper. We ended up buying Andrew Luck because we actually didn't pull a good quarterback. And then Adrian Peterson we already had. Defensively, we also did another Team of the Year and got Chandler Jones. We had Ryan Shazier and Devin Bush and Ted Hendricks already before that. And then Tre'Davious White, we got Geno Atkins. We started out with Nick Bosa. And then Rod Woodson. Other people have like 97 overall teams, and we have an 89. But we're going to try and get some wins with this. I think we can get a few. Alright, I'll see you then. Thank you for watching my video. Please remember to drop a like down below, subscribe to the channel, and turn that notification bell on for more content. Thank you. I'll see you guys in the next one.